based on my knowledge and scientific analysis of happenings in Ghana. So Akofu Addo aban, the NPP aban, it may survive up to December next year, next 14 months. They are likely to win the elections 2020.
Hey, that's a serious statement.
Alhaji.
What do you mean by that?
I'm going to talk.
Okay, go ahead.
So you can find a pen and be taking note.
If they're able to survive the
If they are able to survive the next 14 months, it is possible Ombet may win in 2020 election. Now, from where I sit, near Kosu mine under the MPP and President Akofu Addo watch, I wouldn't be surprised that within the next 14 months, this government will crash.
Hey.
How is it going to crash? Define your crash.
Oh, Kasana, I didn't ask you questions. I can see this government going to crash in the next 14 months unless they change gear, they change strategy, unless they come to the realization, say you cannot continue to suppress the people. We have a suppressed dissent in this country, which is very dangerous for any government. Government is not getting the real feedback near Kosovo mine, simple because some people have been cowed into submission. Some people say, oh yeah. But the worst of all,